He said, go to school, son, or get a job. I guess I told him when I flipped him off, I'm 18, don't tell me what to do. Back tires burning off that old Chevelle, my way of saying you can go to hell. This is where it ends with me and you. 'Cause I ain't never gonna talk to you again. This is it and that's the way it is. And all I know is as long as I live, I ain't never gonna talk to you again. Spent the next 5 years either drunk or stoned. 2 or 3 times I came back home. It's good to see Mom when it came down to me and him. He started preaching about his wrong and right. I'd mumble something about it being my life. 23 acting like a punk-ass kid. 'Cause I ain't never gonna talk to you again. This is it and that's the way it is. All I know is as long as I live, I ain't never gonna talk to you again. I sat down once to write the old man a letter, and I almost called to tell him I got my act together. Broke down crying, I got the news. Yelling at the phone, this can't be true. For all these years, Dad, I still can't believe. I still can't believe I ain't never gonna talk to you again. This is it and that's the way it is. All I know is as long as I live, I ain't never gonna talk to you again. I ain't never gonna talk to you again.